Nanlalamig na ba siya? Ito ang mga bagay na kailangan mong gawin. Bago yan, maglalagay muna ako ng softest peptide cream, a lightweight gel-based moisturizer that balances my pH level and restores my skin barrier in a snap. Number 1, stop chasing, start glowing. Bawal ka mag-overthink about what's he's doing, anong nangyayari sa kanya, may iba na ba siya. Stop. Alam nyo, ang lalaki parang pusa yan. The more na hinahabol, lalong tumatakbo. Pag di mo naman pinansin, kumakandong. Kung dati, bili ka ng bili ng regalo or pasalubong, now, babe, use that money for yourself. Bili ka ng bagong damit o kaya bagong skincare, bagong makeup, bagong hobby, basta keep yourself distracted and excited. Number 2, medyo kaduktong nung number 1 is to reclaim your mystery. Sa simula, diba, gustong-gusto ka niya, gigil na gigil siya sa'yo. Bakit? Kasi hindi pa niya alam lahat-lahat about you. So be the freaking mystery, babe. Do not solve them. Let them solve you. You finding a new hobby or even hanging out with your old friends na nakalimutan mo na since na-obsessed ka sa lalaki mo will make him curious and will sure draw him in. Number 3, girl, if hindi gumana yung tips 1 and 2, I think it's time to communicate efficiently. And when I say efficiently, babe, please lang, wag mong sigawan, wag mong sumbatan, at wag ka ring umastang nanay niya. You are his partner. Gusto mong kiligin, gusto rin niyang kiligin, so kung kaya, communicate in that manner. Like for example, instead of saying, bakit di mo na ako tinitignan gaya ng dati? Bakit iba ka na makatingin? May iba ka na, no? You could say, alam mo, babe, dati pag tinitignan mo ko, parang lechon nakikita mo. Naglalaway ka pa. Bakit ngayon parang lumpiang toge na lang ako? May problema ba? Oh, why? Because if you would combine being flirty or being funny along with being honest, it will create this safe environment para masabi nila kung ano yung mga nararamdaman talaga nila. Then lastly, let's say nagawa mo na't lahat-lahat, you focused on yourself, wala pa rin siyang pake. Or worse, nahuli mo or umamin sa'yo na meron niyang kabet, babe, that shouldn't sit right with you. Huwag ka nang magsayang ng oras pa and just dump him. You're not losing him. Ang gagawin mo is you're gonna make him know that he lost you. Kung ang lalaki hindi kaya mag-step up for you, then you're gonna be the one who will step into your power. Baby, you are sexy, you're a baddie, you should know your worth. Trust me, hindi mo kailangan ng extra baggage, hindi mo kailangan ng pabigat, kasi pag binuhat mo yon, baka mabali pa yung kuko mo. Okay?